What's up, guys? Today I'm just making a littler video, just a little fishing adventure. I haven't really uploaded in a bit, so I want to start uploading now that spring's coming more, you know. Right now I'm just at this park, river, the Willamette River, which I'm on right now. I'm going to is very muddy and a little fast right now because of all the snow that's melting. We had a storm last night. Everything's a little piled, a bunch of piles of stuff. There's a tree that's over there. I'll get a better video of that in a little while. But yeah, see you guys down at the dock. Okay, so this is kind of crazy. Someone just told me that the water, so you can see the river, the water was up to about right here, because like the dock is straight. Usually you have to, or sorry, the bridge thing right here is straight. Usually you have to walk down. Usually you walk down this, and the water's high, so high that you just walk straight. And apparently it was even higher, so that's crazy. Usually it's like 20 feet, 30 feet past this sign. Now it's like pretty much right up to it. Yeah, this is very muddy, brown. Maybe we'll catch a catfish or something. But stay tuned for the spring so we can catch some trout. I mean, we could catch a trout anytime, you know. But we'll see. It's pretty out though. Some other docks over there. I haven't caught anything on this river actually at all, but I've seen people catch them. My friend caught a catfish over there a couple weeks ago. Pretty decent size. And I've seen them jump a lot, so let's get going. In 1996, it was that high, right on the white line. Apparently the water was that high. That's crazy. So it was like above, it'd be like above all these houses. It's crazy. Just eating a burrito real quick. I have a spinner on right now, which I might change because I don't know, it's a pretty little one and the water's pretty quick, so it might not sink fast. But I'll try it a couple times, and if not, I'll probably put like a little weight with some bait on the end. Maybe catch a catfish, or you never know, anything. I'm gonna go over to this little creek that my friend says there's steelhead sometimes and salmon in there. That's like a mile hike this way, apparently. So, see you there. It's like someone built a thing, a little shelter here. It's pretty sick. Little tree fill. I've been down by this creek once, pretty little. I wonder if since the river's higher, if this is higher. Yeah, it is higher. It's just muddy. that's the creek right there, but I'm not gonna try to fish it. I've actually been fishing for a couple hours. I haven't taken too much videos, but I haven't had luck, so me and my friend will be fishing soon again, so hopefully we'll catch something. But when the spring comes up, I'm gonna go to other smaller rivers, like more pure, clean rivers that produce more fish, so hopefully we have luck there in the spring, so yeah.